What up, y'all? We out here. We about to put some work in on the little Kei truck today. I'm out here with Stetson. Know the vibes. So from our previous camping trip a while back, when I hit that fucking like ditch in the fucking road. What the? Oh! I kind of sent my shit out of alignment, and then I realized that this eBay lift kit was shit. So we went and bought the HRG Off-Road lift kit. So now we're about to put that shit on, and we got muddy bottom, shocks for the back, and then springs for the front. I didn't get new struts yet, but we'll get that one day. Yeah, let's check all this shit out. I think we about to start with the rear shackles and then hit the rear shocks after, and then do those in the front. Let's get right to it, y'all.
I feel like that's got a lot of play. That feels like the right size, right?
Go ahead.
Yeah. Cool. Holy shit, we're gonna have to tap that out.
Alright, y'all. We in the whip. We headed to fucking Napa right now because we need new bushings. As you can see, these bushings are fucked. Them shits is cooked. So fucking might as well replace them shits while we're replacing the fucking everything else. I got new bushings, but them shits did not fit. I thought them bitches was just universal, but I guess the fuck not. So we gotta head on to Napa and get some new one of these. Homeboy gotta measure that shit and give us the right ones, hopefully. We'll see what it do. Alright, we just got done hitting up Napa. We hit up O'Reilly's. They gave us measurements. We called AutoZone. Nobody has them in stock, so we can't grab none today. And I'm not trying to drive up north 20-30 minutes, because fuck that. We ain't trying to do all that. So we're just gonna either reuse these bullshit ass bushings, or we're gonna get the new ones, squeeze them in, and cut them. I don't know, we'll see. Now we're on a new mission. Alright, y'all. We got the old shackles out. There's a two-piece eBay shit. We got the new ones from HRG Off-Road. You're gonna see what's up. We gotta put these shits on. Right now, we got the leaves loose, both sides. I don't know if y'all see it. But now we better lock this shit in right now and see what it do. Oh yeah, we had to take the wheel off. We ain't got the shackle in yet because we had to do the new shocks. We got that muddy bottom mini truck shock. Getting it up here was a fucking bitch because it's like banging against this shit right here. But fuck it, best we can do. So now we gotta go do that to the other side. Completely take off that shock right there where I'm pointing. That's the old shock. That's the new shock. Shit got girth, you know what I'm saying? We gotta put the new shock on over there, then we're gonna see what's up, and then put the shackles on. Put the wheels back on, the rear should be good. Alright, y'all, we was just done busting moves. We got the new shackles in. Of course, couldn't get the new bushings. Shackles looking good. We got the new shocks on the rear end. Looking good. Overall, shit looking alright. You can peep the shackles on both sides, and you got both the shocks on the front and or the left and right. Looking good, looking good. Now we gotta turn this bitch around, and we're gonna put in the what do you call it? The lift kit for the front. You just go on top, and we're gonna compress these springs and put them on each side in the front. This shit's easy. HRG Off-Road, they got that shit. It's already compensated for the camber, as you can see. And I got the right side, and the other one says left. So this shit about to be easy. I'm gonna turn this bitch around and fucking, we'll see what it do.
Hello?
Alright, we got this shit popped up on the front. We're gonna do that side second. we're on this side right now. Got the wheel off. We're gonna take this shit off, the hat, which is right there, and undo these 3 nuts, and that should drop it from the top. We're gonna undo this right here and take the whole strut out, and then we'll take all this shit off and put the new springs on, compress them, put them on, set them in, and then we'll put the new lift kit on top. All right, if you guys are doing this shit and you gotta take the strut out of these knuckles, it's a little fucking tight with it, with this gap, you gotta get this tool. This is the truth. It's literally a strut spreader tool. It just goes on a little ratchet. You put it in between and ratchet, and as you can see, it'll spread it a little bit. But yeah, that shit worth it. Now we're on the bigger and better things. We gotta take off this spring from here, off of here, and then we'll put the new ones on. We just don't want that shit to explode back at us, but we'll see what's up. Yeah, all right. Tiny springs.
What the hell's happening?
You gotta tighten all this up. I barely do anything.
It's working.
Should be cool, no? Or...
Yeah, I'd say it's probably good now.
Alright, time to take the hat off. Just put a little bolt right there. And we'll see what it do.
I don't like
You scared?
Alright. Fuck this part.
Bruh.
That wasn't that bad.
It was compressed a little bit.
That
Wasn't that bad?
I don't think that was that bad at all.
Alright.
Just remember how this sits. The flat part, I think, goes on the bottom.
The flat on the bottom? Yeah, check it out. Man, that shit look exactly the same on both sides. Oh, the flat does look at the bottom. Let's go check out the new ones. Boom. Old strut. Boom. Old spring. Boom. Old hat, old lift. We're gonna put on a new spring on the old strut with the old hat. And we're gonna put on a new lift. I'm letting the professionals take care of this. I never been here before.
Yeah, we gotta compress it quite a bit. Quite a bit.
Is that the nut on top already?
No.
Where's the nut?
Right here.
Right here.
Yeah, we gotta compress these. Fuck. What was what? Nope.
I think it was plate. Oh. Try not to lose shit, because there's a special order, they said.
Is that it?
that looks right. If anything, we can go check out the other one right now if you want. Alright, we'll tune back in. Alright, y'all. Springs are on. Hats are on for the new lift. This is what we're looking like complete. With the HRG Off-Road. We got the left side here. You can tell the fucking little offset right there for the camber. Let's put this shit on because my fucking back hurts. Let's get to this bread already. Alright, we got the strut back in. We mounted it to the body. Strut is put in. Spring is on. The fucking new lift is on. That was kind of a bitch to put in. We just gotta put in 2 bolts down here, one for the brake, one for the strut, and put this wheel on. This side is complete. So now we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna hit the other side, and then we should be gravy. All right, y'all. All the wheels are back on. Everything's tightened. We got the old struts, new springs with the new lift up there. And we got new shackles in the back with new shocks in the back. Everything finally put back on. There's a little bit of we got a little bit of pigeon toe going on. I'm gonna ride it out, see how much I can ride it out. But yeah, we're gonna have to get a little alignment. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's go ride around, test this shit out, and see what it do. Good looking out to Stetson. Follow him on YouTube. Yeah. Alright, y'all, we whipping this shit right now. And for sure, this shit feels far more stiffer. But I'm not bottoming out anymore, so now I'm just fucking bouncing like fucking crazy. But other than that, shit feels high. We catch some speed. Fucking rocks flying out. Oh, the tiny bumps. Hold up. Normally these tiny bumps be fucking my shit up, but like if I hit like those tiny ass fucking little pad things in the road, shit would be fucked up. But so far so good. All right, let me take a whip through this neighborhood. I'm about to blast. Fuck 'em. Fucking one-handed. Oh yeah. Oh, let me hit some more tiny bumps. This shit feel way better. Holy fuck. Over the tiny bumps. I hit a speed bump, I ain't gonna lie. I didn't fucking slow down, but yeah, flew for show. But oh, this shit fucking way more comfy from what I can tell. Ooh, that shit feel good. Like riding in a normal car again. Now we just gotta get this shit aligned. Other than that, I think we might be gravy with it. Alright, y'all, we just got back home. But that's a wrap for this video. Finally got the suspension working in good place. It's looking good. Everything feels good. Just gotta get it aligned a little bit and we should be alright. Stay tuned for the next video where we gotta fix my exhaust. We gotta put in the gasket. I don't feel like doing all that shit. And we're gonna end up drilling some holes for that one. But yo, see y'all in the next one. Hey, peace. Sporty. I got 40 shortage and I think they all annoying. I'm up in the